I can't believe I almost missed making content for one of the best games of Season 88, but it's NU Bulldogs getting a momentum win kontra sa Ateneo. You know what time it is? Hands in. For National University, they're a team that loves to start things off strong and never really looks back, which is what they exactly did in this game. In the first quarter, they led by as much as 18 points. At sa buong regulation period, hindi naawakan ng Ateneo yung lamang. And what has been the issue for Ateneo over the past few games was their mental toughness. Due to the system ni Coach Tab, they were always designed to win. Kaya may mga times na nananalo sila by double digits by the third quarter pa lang, and the game was already decided. But over the last 2 or 3 games, they were the ones trailing behind at hindi nagiging maganda yung resulta na yun para sa kanila. But this game was different. I'm not just talking about the team dynamics in general, but also the players who stepped up. For Ateneo, your initial thought would probably be kay Maniladi. But in this game, it was Sean Tuano stepping up. Sean did not only give them the 3-pointer para dumating tayo sa overtime, but he also gave the layup that would make Ateneo experience the lead for the very first time sa larong yon. I think yun yung mental toughness na pwedeng mabaon ng Ateneo. Pero para sa NU, man, ang kalaban na lang nila at this point ay yung kanilang consistency. Can they do this again in the second round? Ang nakakatuwa kasi para sa NU, it's not just Jake Figueroa. In this game, the ones who closed it was Paul Francisco and Jolo Manansala. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi sure, meron silang leader, pero hindi dun tumitigil eh. Hindi sila nakaasa kay Jake. And people could potentially count them out still kasi hindi pa naman nagcha-champion itong lineup na to. But if they're beating the top teams in the league, then I think it's about time you give them some respect.